Hi guys, today I want to share with you guys how to replace the cable, the cord, electricity cord on the this is a Dyson ball multi-floor 2, but this process also works for the Dyson Animal or any other Dyson that is like an corded vacuum. So the first step here is we want to remove the bin. We push here on the lever and we remove the bin, and then we turn the Dyson and we want to remove the hose in the back. How can we remove it? If you look at here, you will see that there is a lever to pull, and then you pull the lever here, and then on the other side you want to pull up the pipe. So we pull on the lever with one hand, and with the other we pull up. Now that we have removed the cord, so the pipe on the back of the vacuum, we have access to the fastener that we need to remove, and you will find them here. We have let me see if I can show you from this angle. We have one fastener here, another one here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have now removed the 4 fasteners here. Okay, now that we have removed them, the next step, let me show you. Here there are two small tongues that we need to push in order for the case in order to disinstall the case. One here and the other one here. At this point, you will see that the housing for the cable as well as the buttons can be removed. Okay, there you go. It's important to make sure not to disassemble it. It can be a little bit painful to put everything together here, but I want to zoom in so that in case you disassemble it, you know how to put it back together. Okay, at this point, now we can work on the wiring. Now, what we want to do here is first we want to disconnect this first plug that is the top on the right side. And let's keep in mind that this cable goes through this housing. So we need then to put it back in the same position. And then we want to remove this case. Let's keep in mind that these 2 tongues stay on the right side, just to remember when we reassemble it. Now we remove the case, this cover. And what we need to do now here, let me see if I can maybe do, okay. Now this cable right here, in order to disconnect it, we need to push. There is a very tiny tongue here. We just want to push it with a flat screwdriver, and then we can disconnect it. Now, next step, we can remove the cord. Now we have disconnected the two components, and now we are good to go. We remove it as such. Now what we want to do, we grab the new cable. The first thing that we want to do is to place the new cable properly in the housing gear. And we want to run our new cord all around this housing gear. Okay, perfect. At this point, here is what we want to do. We run, okay. Let's push it properly inside. Okay. Now we want to rerun the black wire exactly how we found it earlier. So through this piece here, this section, and then the white one went through this channel here. We can probably put it in a second, and we reconnect it. Okay. Housing this cover, if you remember, we said the two small tongs were on the right side, so we make sure to leave them in the same identical position, and we place it inside, and then here we push this white cable inside. We should be good to go at this point. Okay, now what we want to do here is to reinstall this case where we have this button right here. Okay. Let's reinstall it. We just push it, so we leave this button staying out like this, and we want to press it inside, and then we push the button, and now it's properly located. Now what we want to do, flip it, and we want to place the fastener back in. We want to add the fastener. Remember, I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope it's gonna help you guys. And nothing. Thank you for watching.